So then what would be the key factors for members if they want to then sell their home?
Sure. Okay, so two of those are actually the same. Obviously, timing is important.
Naturally.
Right? So selling at the peak of a market can make a huge difference. I have done both, actually. I've sold a house at the peak and I've sold a house at the trough. The peak is much more fun.
I can imagine.
Emotionless, same thing, right? What do you think other buyers will like or not like about your home? And then try and mitigate those things. What's not nice about your house? Find those things, try and fix them if you can. The third one that plays into that quite well is presentation. Do everything you can to make it look its best.
Okay.
Obviously, you might be working to a budget. That's fine. That doesn't mean it can't be clean and tidy when you do it.
So, and then even spending that little bit extra might get you that additional purchase price, dollar or figure that you want.
Within reason. Now, with that, you can spend money in the wrong areas. So talk to your agent. Get some advice around that. There's always a few little things that you can do that can make a big difference, and there's always a few things that you can spend money that won't generate the return that you need. But don't be scared to have that conversation with the agent at time of listing or even throughout the process. At any given week, there's a new person walking through your open house. So if you're getting feedback on the first week that someone doesn't like this or doesn't like that and it's fixable, just keep improving as you go through the process.
Okay, that's fantastic. Now, if you're looking at days on market and you're going to sell your property, I think that there's normally a correlation between the numbers of days that's spent on market and the price in which the owner wants to get. I think this touches on the emotion side.
Yes.
So by saying no emotion, it's understandable that maybe the kids have grown up there in the house and that's where you fell over and you've got that memory, or that's where your grandmother came and visited and you've got that memory.
Sure.
Sometimes you have to try and put those to the side and then assess the marketplace. Would that be a fair thing to do, because you're not going to get another person with the same sentiment that you have?
Exactly right. So, I mean, that's the advice we can try and impart. Obviously, that's hard to put those emotions aside, right? But it's something you've got to do if you really want the maximum price.
Yeah, and that's the goal.
That's the goal.
Fantastic. If you have any questions, please make sure you comment on the video below. In the group, there will be a whole lot of conversation about this, hopefully. And please look up Tiger if you have any needs for things that are specific to what he's discussed. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to talk to you soon. And Tiger, we will hopefully talk to you very soon.
Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mate.